Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to be making tools for my axe making classes. I've done several of these classes so far, and I've realized what tools work, what tools don't, what tools new people work better with. So I'm going to be remaking a bunch of the tools that I've already done. So you can see here the work I've prepared for today. All of these smaller rounds are going to be eye punches. These larger ones are going to be fullers. I just have some axes to drift out, to finish out as well. I have here a crowbar my dad gave me to thin out. Now crowbars come very thick. They're not very good that way. So this end I've already done. This end I still have to do. So while all that stuff that's a little bit larger is heating up, I'm just gonna really quickly heat this up and forge it down. So in order to do this job, I'm using my Jacob Farm straight beam. You can see there. I'm just thinning these out slowly. Once they're thinned out, I'm just going to flanish it out, smooth everything over. I'm going to switch to a little bit of a flatter hammer, but first I'm going to get a heat. So because it's so thin, it's fairly quick to heat back up. Now I'm just going to go very gently, smooth it all out. The rest, I'm just going to clean up with an angle grinder because it's so thin. Just trim up the sides and redo the nail holder. Then of course harden, heat treat and all that. So the first step with these pieces here is to get them to be about 1 inch square by 3 inches long. So there's our work for the evening, a bunch of punches, fullers, and some axes finished up. So thank you guys for joining me, and I'll catch you on the next video.